Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about basic terms in research method. What do we mean by research? Research paper is a long composition in which you present information, the opinions of others, and your own opinions and conclusions, which you have gained by reading broader extensively on a subject. Research paper is not a personal essay. It is not an extended commentary upon a single book or treatise. It is not a way to treatment of a subject. It is not a collection of questions fitted together cleverly into a coherent pattern. It is not a collection of footnotes. It is not a conglomeration of ill-assorted paraphrases, questions, statistics, and the like, hurriedly and unskillfully assembled into a travesty of a research paper. Research is a systematic process of collecting data, documenting the information, and analyzing and interpreting this data according to appropriate methodologies designed by professional fields and academic disciplines. Research is conducted to evaluate the validity of a hypothesis or an interpretive framework, to assemble a body of substantive knowledge and findings for sharing them in appropriate manners, and to generate questions for further inquiries. And now let us know the steps or the basic steps in the planning and conducting a research paper. So first of all, we have to choose a subject or a topic, okay, that we are interested in. Then we are forming a statement of this problem. So what is the problem of my research? What the solution I am going to find or try to find? Then we are going to forming a hypothesis or a theory, and then we are going to identify the populations and sampling, okay? And we are going to collect and organize our evidence and data, and then we are going to drawing conclusions and writing the paper. A research subject or topic is the issue the researcher is interested in to conduct the research. The first step in every research project is the well-defined research topic. Choosing a topic or a subject is a continuous process depending on the research explored, define, and own the ideas. A statement of the problem is used in research work as a claim that outlines the problem addressed by a study. The statement of the problem briefly addresses the question, what is the problem that the research will address? Writing a statement of the problem should help you clearly identify the purpose of the research project you will propose. Often, the statement of the problem will also serve as the basis for the introductory section of your final proposal, directing your reader's attention quickly to the issues that your proposed project will address, and providing the reader with a concise statement of the proposed project itself. A statement of a problem need not to be long and elaborate. One page is more than enough for a good statement of a problem. A research hypothesis is a specific, clear, and testable proposition or predictive statement about the possible outcome of a scientific research study based on a particular property of a population, such as presume differences between groups on a particular variable or relationships between variables. Population is defined as a group of individuals with at least one common characteristic which distinguish that group from other individuals. Sample is a small proportion of the population that is selected for observation and analysis by observing the characteristics of the population from which it was drawn. Sample is a small proportion of the population. It is a part of a group. Many students ask that why should they study research methods at the beginning of the course. There are two main reasons to study research methods for English language teachers, which they: number one, in education career, the teacher always needs to be a knowledgeable consumer of education research. And to do that, the student firstly needs to understand and appreciate the research process. Number two, English language teacher always need to examine what are they doing. For more information and details, please visit the link in the description box. Thank you and have a good day.